Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video. It's a Spirit of the St. Louis telephone, and this is Bruce's telephone from Florida. And this is the final checkout. We did some earlier video of this telephone of the initial checkout and repair, and we talked to Bruce, and he left a message. We sent him the video, and he replied with a message that he was fine and understood about piggybacking the tone generator chips or IC chips in general. So he has a general knowledge or understanding of what's going on. And so now the telephone has been put totally back together again, and we're going to go ahead and do some final checks with this telephone. First, I want to go ahead and ring the telephone. And I don't know that you'll be able to tell on the video, but I'll turn the ringer down. I'll turn it back up. Our light is on, and I'm going to turn our light off. And then back on. We want to go ahead and answer the telephone. Give you some dial tone. Another issue was we had found a bad connection in the handset at the transmit section, and so at the microphone, and that has been repaired. So that's been taken care of. Now let's go ahead and try the speakerphone, and we'll dial our numbers. If you watch the analyzer here, you'll see all of our numbers rack off. We're going to end in a 2. I'm going to hang up and hit redial. Going to end in a 2. Okay, now I explained, and Bruce understands about the memory button here. If we access the speakerphone and we press memory, it's going to dial 911. Now I want to show you what happens if you hit flash on the speakerphone option. It basically knocks the speakerphone out. It's just because the outputs of the IC chip that we use doesn't recognize what's going on, and kind of throws it for a loop. So basically all you have to do is pick up the handset and your speakerphone's right back on. And that's if you hit the flash button. But what we're going to do here is I'll give you some dial tone with a handset. And we'll go ahead and dial our numbers. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I can hit flash with the handset option, bring dial tone back, and redial. Now, I want to transmit into the handset, and if you watch the red indicator light on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation every time I speak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that the telephone is working. We're going to go ahead and move the telephone over to another line. And first we'll do the volume on the on the speakerphone. Back that down a little. We'll move the line over to a regular telephone line. Now I'm going to call a time and temp number, and it's going to really sound funny because they're having some issues with their time and temp number, and there's all kinds of garbled noise and things like that. So I'll go ahead and call it, but you're going to hear all kinds of funny, different little noises.
Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, February 14th. The time is 2:47. Current temperature at 51 degrees.
Okay, this sounds like they need a technician. I'm going to call my number, and it's going to be busy. We'll call another number.
Thank you for calling Walmart.
You're welcome.
Thank you for calling Bevel Walmart Supercenter where you save money and live better. How can I help you?
Oh, I want to save some money and I want to live better.
Okay, how can I help you do it?
Can you send me over to electronics?
Sure can.
Thanks, ma'am. Happy Valentine's Day. You're my special girl.
Well, thank you, and the same to you, sir. You'll be mine today.
All righty. Bye now.
Bye-bye.
See what they got for us over there. Probably on break. I'm not sure they're going to answer. Okay. Enough of that. Let's try another number.
Thanks for calling Wood River Radio Shack. This is Mickey. How can I help you today?
How you doing?
Pretty good.
I got some questions. You have answers?
I will do my best to give you an answer.
I appreciate that. Do you guys carry any Spirit of the St. Louis speakerphones?
Nothing that we stock in our stores. There's a lot of stuff available for special order on our website, so there may be something available there, but definitely not in our stores.
Okay. One other question. Do you guys have any Tesla plasma balls?
That I can definitely say no.
Oh, okay. But you don't have any of the Frankenstein rods either?
No.
Oh, my. Well, yeah, I guess they are a little dangerous.
just a little.
Yeah. Okay. I appreciate all your help. You have a good day.
Good luck.
All right, thank you. All right. Well, we know they don't have any plasma balls. Or any Tesla coils, which are the same thing, basically. So now we know that the telephone is in working condition. We can get this telephone back to Bruce and he can start using it. And these are highly collectible telephones. They're just a really neat telephone. The only bad thing is there's not a lot of parts floating around out there for them. And sometimes you have to do whatever you have to do to repair them. And so I think it's in much better condition being able to use it than to just let it sit and it not working at all, basically. So it all worked out. I think it's going to be fine, and Bruce can start using this telephone and enjoy it. This is Dennis with A1 Electronics, A1 Telephone. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Bruce's Spirit of the St. Louis Telephone from Florida. And I could use a little of that weather right now. We're stuck here in the Midwest. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.